Happy Skiing Time, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I'm going to make my chicken stroganoff pasta bake. Alright, this one is so cool. A bit of butter in a pan, like that, and we're going to melt that butter down. Of course, we're not going to leave that whole because that would just suck. Alright, so move that butter around, get it melted down a little bit, just like we're doing right there, and we're going to start adding in our little strips of chicken thigh. We're going to put those straight in, just like I'm doing right there. Okay, and we're going to cook these off at around about a medium heat for around about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Alright, and make sure you get your chicken breast or your chicken thigh all over the bench, otherwise you are not doing it correctly. Alright, we're going to put these in, we're going to let these start to cook off just like that. And if you haven't tried doing an oven bake with a chicken product before, you don't know what you're missing, because it's so simple, so easy. So season to taste, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and I'm probably using around about half a teaspoon's worth. Give those a little bit of a turn around from time to time, and we don't need to cook these all the way through. This is going back into the oven at a later period of time. So we're going to do these in a little bit of batches, and I'm putting that straight into a oven dish or an oven pan, or casserole pan if you want to call it that. And here I've got 2 onions that I've diced up nice and fine. They can go straight in with a little bit more butter. My cardiologist is going to kill me for this recipe because it is so good with the amount of butter that we are using and the amount of cheese that we're going to use. We're going to put those onions in until they just start to go soft, and we're going to add in around about 250 grams worth of sliced mushrooms. I've just bought those pre-sliced from the supermarket, really nice and easy. A little bit more pink Himalayan rock salt and a little bit of freshly ground black pepper that can go straight in. We're going to give that all a bit of a stir through. Okay, now nice and easy. My oven is already sitting at 180 degrees Celsius or centigrade, depending on how you want to say it. I'm going to add in a little bit of dried Italian herbs, and that's got all the goodness. It's got a bit of basil, a bit of oregano, and all the other fun stuff. I'm going to add in a little bit of garlic paste, around about the equivalent to 2 cloves worth, and I'm going to stir that through as well, just like that. Right, a little bit of smoked paprika that can go in, around about a teaspoon's worth, and give it a good glug of some red wine. Use a red wine of your choice. Mine personally is a Merlot, nice soft tasting wine, and let that cook off a little bit, just like we're doing there. 2 tablespoons worth of tomato paste concentrate that can go straight in while that wine is still a little bit liquid. And I'm going to add in around about half a cup's worth of sour cream that can go straight in. You can use a creme fraiche if you want to, but the sour cream, easy, nice and simple to get hold of. Get that all melted down, and before you know it, we're going to end up with this beautiful, rich, creamy sauce. Now, arrange your chicken pieces around a little bit like I'm doing right there. Mrs. KP has already cooked off our pasta, and we're going with Penny this time. She's dumped that straight in on top like that. I'm going to give that a little bit more of a quick stir around like she's doing right there. Okay, and Mrs. KP learns how to cook after me. She has dumped a piece of Penny out of the pan and onto the cooker. If you are not doing that, you're not doing it right. pour all of that sauce, all those mushrooms, the onion, the beautiful flavour that we've just created, straight over the top, just like that. Nice and easy. Okay, and the next thing we're going to do, give that a little bit of a stir through. Make sure we've got a little bit of sauce over all the chicken and all of the pasta. Now, Mrs. KP is now going to add in a little bit of shredded cheese that we've just bought from the supermarket. Nice and easy. And that cheese looks good. No, we need more. Add more cheese straight over the top, just like she is doing right there. Okay. Now, my MS, as I've said, is starting to take a little bit of a turn for the worse, and you're going to see a little bit more Mrs. KP there. Oven, 180 degrees, 20-25 minutes, and there you go. You've got KP's chicken stroganoff pasta bake. This tastes incredible. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We're trying to get Name of KP's Kingdom out there. Leave a comment. I love reading and I love responding to them. And don't forget to hit that notifications bell once again. Alright, if you want to learn how to make something that doesn't cost a lot, tastes really good, lots of fun to make, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I've already eaten this chicken stroganoff pasta bake, and I'll tell you what, it is rocking. Anyway, I will catch you next time. Bye!